find a good way to edit it.
What's up guys, it's Kelly with 3% Technology. For this video I'm going to be going over the 32-bit and 16-bit boards. These are the control boards using the Prusa MK3, the 16-bit one, and the SKR 32-bit board has been seeing some popularity on social media, especially in like the bear Prusa groups and a few other places. So this will be kind of like an intro of what's the differences, cost, size, and stuff like that. So here is the Ender 6 SC3 printer. Scrolling down, we can see that it has an upgrade 32-bit board from the 8-bit board that we're supposed to have. So next, moving on to the Prusa Mini 3 printer. It says in this article right here that it's a 32-bit control board. And then also on one of the Facebook groups, Joseph Prusa, the owner of Prusa 3 printers, said that they were going to quit making the printers with 8-bit boards. So this confirms that it has a 32-bit board and that the newest MK series printer will more than likely have a 32-bit board as well. So moving on from Prusa, we got the FL Sun, one of the more popular Delta printers. And scrolling down this one, we can see it also has a 32-bit control board. Not familiar with the Robin Mini, but it is a 32-bit board. So now going to Amazon doing a 3D printer 8-bit board search. The majority of the results are 32-bit boards. So this is a good sign that the 3D printer market is moving away from the 8-bit boards. Since I couldn't find any 8-bit boards on Amazon, I decided to Google 8-bit 3D printers and see what boards the printers actually had 8-bit boards in them. And we can see a few examples like your ramps boards, which are made for hobbyists, and then the MKS Gen boards, I believe, are used in the Terror Tornado and some Chinese printers. Anyways, going to this article on why your next 3D printer should use a 32-bit board. It's pretty much like a computer processor. The newer ones get faster and they can handle more routines and stuff to do, and you get more features like speed, resolution, acceleration, print quality, etc. Here is an 8-bit board from a Prusa MK2, MK2S 2.5 Type 3 printer. So looking for some of the new features in it, couldn't really find it in a basic Google search, but Marin, which is a firmware that is popular with 3D printers, released Marin 2, which is a pretty much 32-bit based software firmware for 3D printers. And you can see this bullet list describes some of the new features in Marin 2, and one of the top ones is a 32-bit support. So this means that there's made more 32-bit board features in this newest firmware. So that's going to wrap up the video. So I'm still waiting on getting an actual 32-bit board in hand, so after doing some research, as you saw in the video, it looks like most 3D printer companies already use 32-bit boards. I think some of the Tether Tornado type printers from China, and maybe some of the older printer models, and some of the printer models use 8-bit boards, but it seems like most printer companies nowadays use 32-bit boards already, like FL7, the Delta printer, and Indoor Creality's Indoor series. But some things I still need to do, and still need to get my 32-bit board in hand. I've ordered one a couple months ago, but with the COVID stuff going on, international shipping's a mess, and it seems like the USPS is starting to take longer shipping times as well. So hopefully it comes soon. I plan on using a 32-bit board for my custom Prusa MK3S Nova hot end build, since 32-bit boards are the standard nowadays, or becoming the standard nowadays. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up the video. If you want to see today's videos first, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, check out our podcast now. It's pretty much the same YouTube videos, but it's now on podcast format.